what we will be creating in this video. And don't forget guys to get the source code of this project in my Git repo. Link will be in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Let's jump in. I'm going to create the basic set of HTML code. Shift tab enter. We are going to have styles.link or styles.css. Style CSS. Okay. And we are going to do what we are going to do is now we are going to have h1. It's going to be my name is Charles. Enter. We are going to have paragraph. Actually, my age is not 20. We'll do a lorem ipsum. But we will delete the lorem ipsum and we will add more structural code, structural text. Now we enter. We're going to have a button called click me. Not click me. Actually button is not good because we are going to add links like our GitHub and all. So we will do social, and we are going to give some images here. I mean links, at elements. So sorry guys. Yeah, and we close. So this is it for the HTML. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to add a script. Link our JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most important language while doing hover effects and more web animations. Example, typewriting. But we are not going to cover a whole lot of variables in JavaScript, only few. We are not app.js, it's going to be script yes, nice. Okay, so this is what we have created. Now let's go to our CSS. Let's get started by coding CSS. We are going to have body, going to have background color. It's going to be a lime yellow. Lime, not lime, we need yellow, not dark, light yellow, dark. Okay, this is okay. Now we enter. We're going to have a container. Which one? And we're going to have a dot for p element. We're going to have p font weight of size 30 and font weight of 500. We're going to have a color of black. Next we are going to have our at elements. So at is going to basically have no declaration. and it's going to have a color of black, and font size is going to be 30 pixels, and font weight is going to be 500 pixels, but we are not going to add any of them, but still we need it for the structure. So we are going to have width of 100%, text align center, this padding of 10 pixels, border radius 10 pixels, and background and transition of ease. Okay, now we're going to enter. We're going to have at hover, that means the hover we are going to get the line. When you hover, it should have a line. So to create that hover, we need this. Background, at hover, background color is going to be black. When it's hover, the text is going to be white. Okay, guys, we have covered a lot of things, and now we should give a quick little peek for our HTML, how it looks so far. Show preview. It's not looking too great, to be honest. It has GitHub, LinkedIn, personal, CodePen, and Binance. All are there, but this is what we don't need yet. So now we will align them and we will give the hover. Still the typewriter effect won't work because it has no JavaScript and CSS is not done properly. So let's quit coding. Okay. CSS. Okay. Now close this. Enter. We are going to have keyframe, which is going to make our site responsive for all screen sizes. So these are the responsive keyframes. Rev 0%, width 0, 100% width 100%. Keyframe blink is going to be 0% and with the color of ash, and 5% color of ash, 6% of white, 100% of white. It's not going to give a gradient, it's going to give a kind of a transparent color. So check. Okay. So keyframe is off. And they've done. So far we have a lot of codes, but still it's not done yet. Now what we need is, we are going to make our container. So we need container. Oh, let's put content. Content. Enter. It's going to have a display of flex. It's going to have a justify content is going to be center, and align items is going to be center, and height is going to be 100 viewport with background color of black. Okay. Now we are going to have, oh sorry guys, we forgot to make the selector. And now it's done. Now what we need to do is our TD, because it's based on a table. TD dash TH. It's going to have padding of 10 pixels and border of 1 pixel solid. It's going to be the color of CCC, and it's going to have text align of center to make it center, and color of white. And let's make it a selector. Double selectors. That's it. Still not done. We'll see. preview of our HTML. So far guys, we have done a lot of things. So it is the time to see what we have created so far. So let's go to HTML, show preview. Nice, just the animation, but still it's not quite done. We have the hover effect, we have the line, and we have our text animation, this color. So still it's not done the quite to the way we need. So let's get coding. Close it. We go here, not here. We go here. We will see show preview. Now we are going to see it and we are going to do it. It's not going to be live blue. It's going to be this, not this. Maybe this is good, but we can't see the box around it. So still it's not transparent. You can see the box, but when it gets small, it's not. We can't see. So when it gets small, it should be individual. It should be individual. GitHub is individual one. LinkedIn is individual, so it's going to be individual ones. Okay, let's do it. For that, we will enter class of float, enter class. Yeah, looks like that's it for the CSS. It's completely done. Now let's go code our JavaScript. Okay guys, now we have done HTML, we have done CSS. Now we are getting to the interesting part. All have been waiting for, our JavaScript. So it's not going to be a much. We are just going to add the console.log and the class of our typewriter. So console.log, we're going to have circle, not hello world. We need it to be typewriter. Typewriter effect is working. No. Oh, we will do typewriter. And that's it. Typewriter effect. This done. Actually, I need to copy it, and we have to do one more thing, which is the hover. So we are going to have social hover. Social media link. Social media links. Hover. Hover. Okay. Yeah, this is it for today's video. I will go to HTML. This is for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was really nice too. We learned a lot of things in CSS and HTML, JavaScript too. Now let's see how it looks. What is the final outcome of it? Right click, show preview. It looks great. It looks the way we need it. So when it's responsive, you can see it shows. It comes with the typewriter effect, and this tick animation is in JavaScript, and this hoverable cards when it's shrinking. When it's big, we can see it's all in one, and with it's all in one container. So let's see in the browser. Yeah, in browser, because it's an open wide screen, you can see it like this. So let's go to inspect, and we'll inspect it for different dimensions. The first dimension is iPad Pro. First we have this. Wait. This is how it will be look in the dimension of iPad Pro. Next we will go for a Samsung I said it will look something like this with individual for each link, and for same as Microsoft. We'll do MacBook Air. It looks something like this. It's not, it's a phone dimension. However, it's working the way we need, and it's responsive. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to drop a comment of what is your opinion on the next video should I make. I will see you in the next. Peace.